4, 3, 2, 1, watch me. Level up, 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 level up. All this on me so yummy, all this sauce so yummy.
Hey guys, it's me, Brianna, and today I'm back with another video. So I decided that I'm going to be posting more because now I'm home and I got so many new topic ideas for my Instagram. So if you're watching this, like, please give me some ideas. I think I'm going to be talking about basic training in a lot of my videos. I have so many great stories. Like, it was such an amazing experience. But before I get off task, like, before I get off topic, let me explain to you guys SANDBOX. So it is a free app for soldiers and their families to use. Currently recording on my phone because I left my camera in the car, which is probably a bad idea because of the heat, but I don't think anything's gonna happen to it. All right, so here's the app. This is what it looks like. Oh, okay, so you see it, and you make your own profile. Mine is under a soldier, and connections means like friends. Say like Facebook, it's like friends, or Instagram, like your followers. These are mine. I only have a few, and you have to accept them. But in order to message people on here, you do not have to, they don't have to have an account. Like, if I didn't have an account, my mom could still send me SANDBOX letters, and this is what it looks like. So I actually got one. My mom mailed me one off her app, and since I'm not in base training anymore, it came back home to my mom. But this is, now I can show you exactly what it looks like. Like, I have a whole bunch, but they're all packed away. So I decided to make a video since I just found it. So yeah, and you can earn free coins and get coins off your card. I'm not really sure how that you could do that. You just click it. But if you want to mail someone, you just have to have their address, and there's a line across it, but you guys can see it. It doesn't. It's Fort Jackson. You would put like PVT or specialist, whatever they are. And my company is Bravo Company. You just put B, comma, and yeah, there's the example. So that's how you do it. The app will walk you through it. Yeah, so I think I love SANDBOX letters because I got my mom's letter literally in one day last time. Like, and we only get mail sometimes, so I was like, it was just like, thank God, like, I got my mom's letter in a day, or else I would have had to wait till next week to get her letter. And we didn't get letters for 3 weeks of base training at my company. And so when you open it, this is what comes out of it. Now, this is why I love this, because, you know, base training, you do not have that time to write letters, and they just cut the letter writing process into half. So you get an envelope. Like, this is, like, when I got this, I was so hyped, because I didn't have to write an envelope, or you waste one of mine. All right, so before I show you, so it's a big pile, and in this pile, there's the address of who wrote you. So all you do is slip it in, and all you have to put on it is a stamp. That's it. You're gonna put this in, and it has exactly where it's going. You don't have to do any of that. So I love that. And you get your letter paper, comes like this. It's a nice, very big piece of paper. So guys, if you're writing people, honestly, fill it up, because getting letters is just the best feeling. And honestly, I never knew what it felt like not to get a letter. Thank God. Thank you to my friends and family. But honestly, when people don't get letters, it's honestly really upsetting to watch other people get letters, because my friends have all cried over not getting a letter. And I always felt bad because I would get like literally like 10 letters at a time. Until the last time we got mail, because we got mail past the end date, and I told everyone not to write me past this date, and I was like, damn, shouldn't have did that, because I didn't get mail that time, and I was like kind of upset, but I was like, it's okay, I know I'm going home soon, so it's whatever. So yeah, it comes like this. You can also attach a picture, and I just got this letter today. My mom sent me a picture of myself, and she's like, the beach is calling, and it's a video of me, and I lost so much weight, y'all. It's amazing. And then the best part is you don't even have to waste your paper, because they send you paper to write on. It is it is so amazing. Like, so if you are, but honestly, like, I love getting these because they come fast. But I also love handwritten letters because it's just like a more like homey feeling, I guess. Like, and you can also send more pictures at once. And I'm type like I want a whole bunch of pictures. Like I just love everyone sending me, like I have a big pile of pictures just from the pictures I was sent at Base Training. So this is what SANDBOX looks like. And this is how it would come to your soldier. And it comes really fast. So I just recommend using it because it's just so efficient and less work any note's going to get there. And it's not going to be messed up. So I rate SANDBOX a 10 out of 10 and definitely recommend it. So that's my short video. I'll be back with more videos. Please DM me and make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Peace.